Hey everybody, it's pretty late here, but I did want to get a video out so it could be ready for Friday morning. This is a solo session, but if you guys want to be a part of a private session in the future, you can join through the Discord link below. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys want to see next. Hope you guys enjoy. So on one of the shorts, I had uploaded Tesla, and Tesla reached the bullish target. Let's get on a lower time frame. Tesla had reached the topside target, so we see price did dip into the bear zone a little bit, and then it immediately came back up. This was this 2-day trip? Yeah, Tuesday through Wednesday. Comes back up in our untradeable zone, and then it just shot right through the bullish zone, right to the top. And price is floating near the top of it, but it does look like it's getting ready to break down a little bit. I had somebody ask me about it. Right now I would call this untradeable, although I did start building longs back up right here. It had nice upside structure, but now this whole, a lot of chop going on. The 1 hour does look like it's going down to me. It looks like we can catch an early entry if this is something people were looking for, right? We have this strong buildup, immediate rejection. This right here is some form of lower high on this candle, the white one. We have price approaching a lower low right now, and then we can just, if you're a bearish trader, you want to look for price to immediately break down here. You have another lower high if that happens, and then you can start to target areas of the run up, maybe around here. What is this? 259, it's called 260. Or maybe you want to target to fill this gap, because I know a lot of people like to fill in gaps, so you can target down here. That'd be 249, call it 250. So you have 260 or 250 to target if you're a bear. Bulls, you probably want to look for price to come back above here. Tesla does move a lot, so we could easily see Tesla move 5% to the downside, 5% to the upside. This would be the next bullish target. I just don't like how structure is right now. I would probably look at it something like this. Actually, let me look at the 4 hour first. Let's say hit it right there. And remember, every time I do this, I always assume I'm not already in a trade. So anywhere price currently is marked untradeable. Let's do like that though. Anywhere price currently is marked untradeable. So I can start dropping to lower time frames and looking where I can pinch it though. I like to pinch price. So if price is currently around 272.80, I want to try to find a top side target where I can start looking for longs, and a bottom side where I can start looking for shorts. So to the top, I did say I did like that structure. However, I want to use this little zone right here as my protection. And this would be a very aggressive entry. This is probably not something I would look to enter. This is, let's call it a 3.5% move. Right, what is that? Yeah, 3.25. If you want to go to the top side, a little over 3.5. To the downside, like I said, bears might enter here, but this is a very aggressive entry. So I probably want to see something like that. Again, I'm not going to structure it around the wicks, but I am going to be cautious of them. Go a little higher right there. We like round numbers, so we want 2685 and we want 283. This is now our untradeable area. To the top side, I know I already have that zone drawn farther up there, but I don't know if I would trust price to make this jump on a short-term trade. At least at the current moment, 330, 340 is my target for the next earnings release. That is always subject to change, and that's according to my own plan. Over here, I do want to look for a new level though. I don't want price to have to come all the way up there, and I like this here. This is beautiful. So I want to capture the bottom of the structure right there. It became the top and broke through, becomes the bottom again, a rejection, then a breakthrough. Right here becomes the top and it rejects. So that is going to be my new topside target. Right there. Lower this down. That becomes the bullish zone. Where's buy zone? There we go. And to the downside. This doesn't look like enough to fill, although this technically would be my next level. And that is a fairly decent drop. But I'll be a little bit more aggressive. I want to say it's going to go right there. This is just from eyeballing it. This is not 100% to plan. Just something I would kind of look for. Anywhere in here I would go long. Anywhere in here I would go short. This is the untradeable area, right? We're looking for price to pinch somewhere in here. And we're looking for a breakout in either direction. But we do want to follow my indicator up here. This is determining the direction it's going in. Currently the 1 hour says bullish. That's because we saw a lot of upside momentum today. But overall it is bearish, right? Weekly, daily, 4 hour is showing to the downside. So this is something I might look for in the future or as early as tomorrow. But overall, like I said, my current target, it is subject to change, but pre-earnings release for the next earnings season is going to be 330, 340. That's going to be up here. Now Tesla does move a lot. It's very easy to see 5 or 10% moves in one single day. So this could get wiped out, you know, by the end of next week, and I'd have to change everything. So that's why everything is according to my own plan. It's not advice, and it's all subject to change day to day, even hour to hour. I want to jump to GameStop real quick because they just released earnings, and thank you guys for watching. That is going to be it for this video. Right there at the end, I did start getting into GameStop. That video will be edited and uploaded on Monday. Once again, if this is something you guys want to be a part of, you can join through the Discord link below. Comment down what you guys want to see next. Drop a like and subscribe to show some support. Thank you again.